If people are staying in your live, they're watching, they're even engaging, but you're still not getting any of the sales, this is what's really going on. A lot of entrepreneurs go live and feel like people are here, so why aren't they buying? And it starts to feel very confusing because you're doing the work, you're showing up, you're helping, but nothing is converting. And here's the truth. People don't buy just because they stay. They buy when the live guides them towards a decision. I've seen lives where the creator is doing everything right on the surface. People are there. People are listening, but there's no clear moment where the viewer understands, what do I do next? They enjoy it and then they leave. If your live doesn't guide people, it won't convert people. So let me show you how to fix this really easily. Be clear about what you're helping with. At some point in your live, you need to say what you do, who you help, and what result you help them get. Don't make it complicated, okay? Just make it very easy. Then you want to connect your content to a result. So don't just teach, show them where this is going to lead them to at the end. More viewers, more confidence, more sales, right? Now the viewer understands the value of what you're offering. You need to create a moment for action. Your live needs a moment where you shift from talking to guiding. You can say, if you want help with this, here's what to do next. If you want to get this, this is what you have to do, right? That moment actually matters. Without it, people aren't going to move or make a decision. So keep it simple. Don't give multiple options. Don't overwhelm. One clear next step. That's it. And make it feel natural. You don't need to sound very salesy. You don't need to sound like you're putting pressure, okay? Just speak clearly and very helpfully. When people trust you, they don't feel pushed. They feel supported. So if your live isn't turning into the sales you want, here's what's really happening. There's no clear path. There's no moment for action, and there's too much confusion happening. But the good news is you don't need more viewers to fix this. You just need to guide the viewers that you already have to a clear direction. Now, if you want more strategies like this to help you grow your live audience, increase your engagement, and turn your live content into real results, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.